Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a delightful term that is synonymous with classic chocolate treats, known worldwide. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Cadbury, Cadbury, Cad-a-ry, with a little focus on the middle syllable, b, Cadbury. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Cadbury, 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 Cadbury. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.